Hello guys, here we are going to demonstrate how you can train your data on Chatiex AI and use in your chatbot. So basically this is the platform. After sign up you land here. Now we will look a overview of the dashboard. So here are all notification delivered. Here are the category option. Basically, suppose you are in e-commerce business and you have multiple categories like support, sales and marketing. So here we will click on categories. So here you will create categories like name of categories like support or billing, etc. you want, and here will be description and click on create. So here we have added a category for demo purpose. Now the fourth option is knowledge base. This is the main backbone of your chatbot which you are building. Now here is nothing. So we will first train our data. So basically click on plus, add new knowledge. Now according to your plan subscription, here all your data will be shown. So now here you have to add title. We are adding support. Whatever you want you can add here. Now on the category we have made a support category, so we will select it here. Now on the knowledge base type, from the drop down we will select document. First we look for document. In few days we will update it for videos and sitemap. So you can also train from video and sitemap. The benefit of training sitemap, it auto train your data. Suppose you are updating your website regular basis, so it will get or fetch data automatically from your sitemap URL. So first we look here and click document. Now we have to upload document from here. So for the demo purpose we will going to click this and click on sync now and submit. Here you will get notification and also you can check from here. So here are the knowledge base. You can see here support category and data is trained. So now you can train multiple documents from here. So now from knowledge base type select web page. Here you can train your website. So the benefit of website training, if your customers or visitors chat on your chatbot, you can directly answer on the basis of your website. Like suppose someone want to know about your website pricing, features and etc. Everything data available on your website they can get on within the chatbot. So here you can add your website simply and click on sync now and submit. We are going to just demo, so cut it and come back to manage chatbot. Here you can customize your chatbot. From here you can upload your logo and contact name, short description and welcome message. Basically chatbot name is this AI powered chatbot. So here you can see AI powered chatbot and description is the same as here, and color you can manage from here and click on submit. Now we have to look on behavior. So here you can set conversion tone, standard, friendly and professional, and instruction, so it will talk in that way. Now after saving, click on configure. So this is the main feature of this chatbot. Like suppose on your website 10 visitors landed in single day, so you will get 10 lead per day. This is for just supposing. Suppose 100 customer visiting first day, so we can suppose out of 100 10 customer leave without just typing anything. So out of 100 90 customer will be your lead. So after enabling this, you can ask customer or visitor name, email and etc. So this is the very important thing. You have to make it enable. And if you have purchased premium plan of the Chatiexcom, you can use your own API key. Now on company info, you can add your company detail like address and name. So here are the installation. So before adding company, you cannot get installation instruction. So for demo purpose, we are adding some data. Here you can add your demo data like we are adding. So we are adding just demo data. You have to add your actual data. Here you can add your actual address and upload here logo. So now we have added. So come back to manage chatbot and click on installation, and the main thing is you have to add your domain here and click on add domain. So click here add domain, and here you can see you can use it for one domain according to your plan. So we will check it for add domain. Now click on add domain. So here you can see the domain has added. Now click on I button and click on this I and click on copy code, and you have to paste on your front end page. So here are the instructions we have provided where you have to put this code. So if you face any issue, you can contact us on our given WhatsApp number or email. So now close it and have a look on chat section. So this is the all section where your all chats will be listed. Suppose your visitor comes on your website, chats on your website chatbot. So here all chats land. Now click on manage ticket. So if your customer create tickets, here you can see all tickets. In the upcoming series, we will check and see the demo how a user can create ticket and how you can manage it from here. So on the contact, you will get all contact detail which are made by the visitor or collected by you in the chatbot, like this. Here we have enabled this so that email, name and etc lands here. From here you can manage all your subscription. So this is the trial of 7 days. You can upgrade, and from setting the same thing we have made changes while creating chatbot. Now this is the basic demo of the Chatiex AI platform. So stay tuned for the next video.